2018 Dodge Challenger RT Scat Pack 6.4 liter. What we did on it, kept everything original, left the mid mufflers or mid resonators, and deleted the rear mufflers. Right there and right there. Hope you guys like it. Let us know what you guys think in the comments about the sound of it. They'll sound pretty good. We've done a few of these. We haven't done a video of it yet. But yeah, we always delete the back too, and it just gives it a really nice deep tone with not a lot of drone in the middle inside the car. There it is. Scat pack. .4 liter. Go ahead. Perfect. And that's how it's done.